How to get Snapchat Plus subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you on how we can get the Snapchat Plus subscription. So let's go ahead with the process. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to get the Plus subscription of the Snapchat, it is super easy. Head over to the Snapchat application and you may just click on your profile at the top left corner. Your Bitmoji will appear. That is your profile. So after clicking on it, you can easily find the Snapchat Plus icon below your Snapchat score and your zodiac signs. So you may just click on Snapchat Plus. After that, you may just look up for the plans here and you can find different options here that Snapchat Plus provides. Like you may look for the features that they are providing. After that, tap on next and you're gonna go on with the process of subscribing. So in order to subscribe Snapchat Plus, you may just get back. After getting back, just tap on the gear icon at the top corner and you can find the Snapchat Plus option here below your email. Just click on it and you can find a subscribe option. Otherwise, you can also find Snapchat Plus gift section. You may just go ahead and look out for the plans that is suitable for you. Look out for the offers that is provided by Snapchat and you may just look for the plans that is affordable for you and go out and subscribe. So these are the process you may follow in order to subscribe on Snapchat Plus. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.